Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe with some primary colors and black and pink. I'm just kind of going back and redoing an older video that I had. This is a piece of acetate that came with some of my canvases. Yeah, I'm just gonna get started. So this is ultramarine blue. Liquitex, I believe. I don't wanna. Here, I'm just gonna tilt this out so I can not have that much there. Thinning it out, if you would. Whoops. This is cadmium yellow medium hue in its Winsor Newton. This is cadmium red dark hue in Liquitex Basics. I've added silicone to all these paints. I'm just trying to add what I see fit where I see fit, I guess, without it being overpowering, I guess. Yeah, I'm just gonna torch this. Just in case there was any air bubbles there. I'm just gonna tilt it like that. All around. Whee! So nothing new has really happened in the life of Sarah. It's been quite a boring little bit. Like I said, I just wanted to redo this swipe because I had done it in the past, but I thought I could kind of do it better now. And I saw someone do something brilliant earlier and was like, oh, why haven't I done that? I'm just gonna get these edges wrapped really quick. Swipe time. So I'm just gently pulling the black paint over the colors without trying to wipe all the colors off. And ta-da! Oh, I forgot to put some of this edge. Just do that. Because that's really nice. I'm just gonna kind of touch the sides with my sheet here. It seems to be helping quite a bit to get those edges. As I pushed all the paint down to one edge, I'm gonna take my cloth, handy dandy cloth here, wipe off a good chunk of this paint. I know you can't really see it, but I wiped a good chunk of the paint off. And well, I'm gonna do the swipe back this way, so I can get some more of the colors to come off the canvas after I tilt some of this black paint off because it's a little excessive. Ooh, get it to that edge. Okay. Maybe I won't need to do another swipe after all. Okay. Yeah, just gonna do another swipe over it. Why not? Oh! I didn't mean to drag the cup. Poop. Okay. Get that nice and saturated in there, like that. Bring it over. Now I'm gonna do a wavy swipe over it this time. Why not? Create your own fun. Miracles of painting. You can do whatever you feel. Okay. Yeah! That looks a lot better. In my humble opinion. That's just me. This looks a lot better, like I said. Okay. I'm going to pull out my torch now. As I get these books off my hands. I'm gonna see if I can get more cells to pop up with this straw. I'm just gonna like poke it in the paint. See what happens. Right. Is anything going to happen? Yes? No? Maybe? Maybe if I hit it with the torch. No? Something? Please? I'm gonna go. This itty bitty piece of parchment. Well, this piece of parchment paper I have over here. And I'm going to take a little bit more paint off and see if I can get more color to pop up. Yay, it works! It's nice when stuff works out. See if I can get something different over here. Please? I painted my finger. Oh. Not the end of the world. Yeah. What else can I do? Okay, I'm gonna take this tiny little piece of parchment paper and saturate it in it like that. Put it back and forth. I'm just hoping I'm not muddying everything underneath. So far, it's coming out kind of neat. Not kind of neat, really neat. So I'm gonna take my palette knife now and just kind of see what I can do. I'm getting some cells to pop up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to call it quits before I don't know, ruin it. That's my last time I'm torching it, I promise. A bunch of cells have developed, as you can tell. Here, I'm gonna get you down. It's gonna be a little shaky for a second. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the final product. Well, it's still wet. I have all my colors and the cells popped up so nicely. This guy looks like a smiley face over here. I love it when things pop up like that. I think this looks really nice. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Also, like this video if you like how this painting came out. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends, because sharing is caring, so I've heard. I really love how this painting came out, and I hope you like how it came out too. I will see you next time. Bye.